Okay, just a short video for Knute based on his profile thing. This is a picture with the profile in, so I just trace over that and I scale it down. If I can make this one. So you see then it's about the width of 1190 millimeter, and I should insert that into that wall. So then I just copy that profile, Control C, then I go to the style, and the profile style I want to make a new. It can be profile style 1, OK, and then I just Control V, that is my profile. Now I need to make the boundary on this one. Then I select this tool here, edit boundary profile. This is the outer one, and then I can go down to the flag, or I can right click and say finish. Now I make that what Knute wants for his window, and then I say finish. Then I need to make a window. This is a picture window, rectangular, and you see this is when I made it last time. That's what I want, and I want to have this window should be the measurement now. Yeah, 1190, 154 tall, and location with the head of object 2100. Then I can insert that window in the wall there. See it in perspective. Now it's a square window. Then I go down to the style, and I say in design, and I see here on profile there's no one connected. I choose profile style 1, and then I get curved. That's how it is. So you have to remember to use this tool for making the hole. To gray it out now. Where it is, there it is.